Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to enable 8 character skill on your Free Fire account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel by simply clicking on the like button, subscribing, and turning on your notification bells. Without further ado, let's get started. So you're wondering how you can update your skills on Free Fire. By default, Free Fire only allows you to select 4 character skills. In order to use 8 character skills, here's a hack. First, go ahead to your preset and tap on character. Over here, you'll be able to see all the characters on your Free Fire. Now, notice that some of these have 2 stages. One is active and one is passive. As you can see, Andrew, your default character, also has an active and a passive form. If you scroll down enough, you'll be able to see Kelly, who also has an active and a passive form. Similarly, you have Moko, who also has a passive and an active form. Now, it's known on Free Fire that you can only select up to 4 character skills on one gameplay in Free Fire. However, if you want 8 character skills, it gives you a major advantage in a game. So if you want to use 8 character skills, you're going to go ahead and select 4 characters with 2 forms, which is active and a passive. So if you select these 4 characters with 2 forms, it automatically means that you have 8 characters set on Free Fire. You can go ahead and select characters like Andrew. You have Alok as well with the dual form. There's also other characters such as Moko and Kelly herself. If you select characters like these with dual forms, you'll be able to use 8 character skills in one gameplay on Free Fire. And this is how you can get a 1-up on your gameplay in Free Fire. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.